All right, this cul-de-sac street here is Sunmist. We end right there. And there's a couple Sunmists. This is 5726, this property here. You know what? I have a feeling they built a new garage. Maybe not. That one looks similar. But sometimes when you don't have a lot, you build a garage in the front and convert the existing. So, interesting. Work was done. Wow, look at this. This is amazing. Look at the kitchen here. Interesting. Nice. What is this? The fridge? Oh my gosh. Built right into the stucco. Wow. Nice family room. Overlooking the pool. Got a view out that way. It's amazing. It's a nice patio here. We'll come back. Wow, what a bar. That is fun and awesome. Look at the way they had it stacked. Interesting. This is a fun spot. All right, pool table. Direct access right to the pool. Right straight in, actually. Wow, pretty interesting room there. Right bathroom down here with a shower. So we got a 2-car garage with some extra stuff. Laundry's over there. More storage. Okay. 2 bedrooms back here. Yellow. It's pretty. Blue. Oh, this is awesome. They made it so you could store stuff in here. That's cool. Primary. Big bath. Wow, beautiful. Big closet. And a huge view. So, there's Catalina. All this is ocean. So this is really nice outdoor area. And I like how you can go right into that game room. And this is fun. Here, there's another bar. This is cool. You see this? Oh, it's a bath just in the shower, for the pool. That's really great. Huh. This is a neat little sunroom now because it's hot. It's, it's just lovely California weather with our warm weather. We just love it, and it's amazing already. Maybe spring's coming early. I thought we were going to have a late winter, but it's turning into spring already. Super neat spot, real different. Some neat stuff. So look, if you'd like to come see this, call, or if you'd like more information about the area, I'm happy to share. Got a couple things coming up, so it's always worth it to check in and see what's going on. Hey, thanks for watching, and make it a great day.